Question 5 asks, what is the length of x to the nearest tenth of a meter? And it gives us this diagram here. And so what we have in this diagram is we know one angle and we're interested in finding the third side. So what we want to use to answer this question is the cos law. And so just to label some things in this diagram here to make it easier, if this side is x, it means that this angle here is big X, and I'm going to just label these other two angles as A and B. So that means that this side here is A, and this side across from B is lowercase b. Okay, so now we can set up an equation based on the cos law for this triangle. And so we're interested in x, and x is the angle that we know. So the way we're going to set this up is x squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cos of x. Okay, so plugging in some values here. A is 18 meters, so we have 18 squared. B is 33. 2 times 18 times 33 times cos of 52 degrees. Okay, so now evaluating this out, 18 squared is 324. 33 squared is 1089. 2 times 33 times 18 is 1188. Okay, and adding these two values gets us 1413. And evaluating out cos of 52 gives us 0.61566, and that decimal goes on. So we're just going to round it for now. And so now multiplying these two values gives us 731.406. Again, that decimal goes on. And now we want to subtract these two numbers. So we get x squared equals 681.594. Again, the decimal goes on, and we take the square root of both sides to get x is about equal to the square root of 681.594, which is 26.11 about. And so we've been asked to find it to the nearest tenth of a meter. All the units here are in meters, so this gives us 26.1 meters. And so looking at the answers we've been given, that corresponds to answer C. So C is the right answer to question 5.